Yo, what's up squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Today we're gonna start the year off with an install for the S2000. It does get dark super early these days, so let's get started. Let's jump right into it. So today we're gonna be working with the Works Bell quick tilt quick release. I always wanted this for the S2000, but at the time I couldn't really afford it, but now we got it. Let's do it. Let's put it in the car. Open this up. All right, so let's drop this here. All right, so this is my current setup. As you can see, I already have an NRG version 2 quick release. There's nothing wrong with this system right now. The horn works and everything, but I just always wanted the quick tilt. I feel like it suits this car more than the quick release, but I don't know. You guys will see. So most people already know the quick release system. Pull it back, comes off. It's pretty nice, it's convenient sometimes. Put it back. Sometimes you get the ding. That's the ding that everyone loves. But we're gonna be changing this out. It's pretty easy. We're gonna take off the steering wheel, unbolt the NRG, and then put on the Works Bell. Like I said, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna start by unbolting these bolts. This is actually the Chasing J's titanium hardware. Adds a little extra spice to your steering wheel. Makes it look a little bit better, in my opinion. So let's do this real quick. Getting there, this is a little bit tedious, but slow and steady wins the race. Let's go here.
5 minutes later.
So unbolting the steering wheel, this is what it looks like. You have your ground and then you have your power. I'm gonna unhook this and then we should be good. Next step for me is to unbolt these. We're gonna keep the hardware and everything, make sure we don't lose it. Alright, so we finally got the NRG quick release out. I'm already running the Works Bell short hub. It's only right that I match it with the Works Bell quick release. So that's what we're gonna do. Finally time to put the quick tilt in. You're gonna grab one of these. Secure the other one and put that anywhere else. This is gonna go here, and then the black wire is gonna connect to this one. Well, at least for my setup. So here's the quick tilt. If you haven't seen it, I went with the silver. Comes in 2 colors. I feel like the silver matches really well with the S. Just put this ring around the wires so it's ready to bolt up. Like I said, the black wire is gonna connect to this part, and this is the ground. And then this right here is the horn. The red wire is gonna connect to this part. And then we bolt it up, put the steering wheel on here. Same thing, black with the red, and the horn should work. So let's get this done real quick. I might have to put the camera down.
A few moments later.
All right, so here's the setup I got going on. The thing I like about Works Bell, they like to wrap the connections with this sort of rubber thing. I don't know what to call it. But this point right here is kind of weird. I had to use the rubber and cover this plastic piece for the horn. It should work. Now I just gotta bolt it up, put the steering wheel on here, and we should be good to go. But yeah, this is my setup.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So it actually got dark on me. It's only like 5 o'clock, but I finally got the Works Bell quick tilt in. I had to tighten all 6 screws. Just like you're tightening a wheel, you have to go in a star pattern. So we finally got it on. I just gotta bolt on the horn, put on the steering wheel, and we're good. So check out this horn button I picked up. We got the NSX horn buttons. So this is the type S and this is the type R. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is actually a rep. So this is not real, this is not authentic. I went with a rep one. I have no idea if it's gonna work, but we're gonna find out just now. So we're gonna go with the type R one. If this horn button doesn't work, I just got scammed 15 bucks. Hopefully it doesn't work. I don't know if it does. We'll find out.
Please, please, God, someone, please. Let me do this, let me do this, let me do this.
Alright, so it's been a few minutes and I tested out the horn and unfortunately it doesn't work. This is the Momo horn button right here. And as you can see, there's 2 prongs on the horn button. On the NSX one, there's only 1. So I think that's why it doesn't work. It doesn't have a grounding system. When I bolted up both of these to the Momo, it worked right away. But I don't know why these NSX one comes with 1. I don't know if it's possible to add a ground switch to it. If anyone knows, let me know. but we're just gonna use the Momo one and we're done over here. All right, squad, so it did get dark on me. I'm just gonna put everything back together, then we'll see the final product in the daylight when it's much better lighting. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. We're gonna compare both systems and see which one you like more.
The next day.
All right, squad, finally some daylight. It's a new day. We do got some snow now, but as you can see, I got the S out, just letting it warm up. Let's get back to where we were. Real quick, while I was doing the Works Bell quick tilt, this car had some sort of misfire. I don't know what it was. It's parked in the garage, but somehow it's still broken, but I ended up figuring it out. Pop open the engine bay real quick. I was having some misfires. It ended up being coil packs. It was cylinder 1 and cylinder 4, so I just replaced them. I got 2 more on the way, so don't mind the other 2, but running strong, baby. Let's go. So here's the finished product of the Works Bell quick tilt. So here's the complete look of the Works Bell quick tilt quick release, and so far I'm actually really loving it. So how does this one compare to the NRG quick release? So right off the bat, I can tell like the steering wheel, it feels so super sturdy. Like this is firm. I feel confident when I'm holding the wheel. Not to say that the NRG was loose, but this just feels so much more stronger. I've been using the NRG quick release for over a year, and I think what makes this feel more firm is this is just a bigger base. You see where the steering wheel is mounted. It's super thick compared to the NRG, and this is really confident, inspiring. How does the Works Bell compare to the NRG in terms of weight? Obviously this quick release system, it looks super thick, it looks beefy, but when I did the research, the NRG quick release, the one I had, this was only 0.3 pounds heavier, so it's extremely minimal. You're not really gonna feel a difference, and you get extreme quality and safety with this system. So everything is good with this system. The only thing I will say, if you want to install this, you do have to do your research a little bit more. With the quick release, any steering wheel you put on is just going to release off and you can put it anywhere else. But with this quick tilt, you do have to make sure everything aligns. So for me, this actually hits the dash. I'm running a Momo 320mm steering wheel, and for whatever reason it doesn't clear the dash. My solution to this is to just put my finger right on top here while I move it, and then it clears it and I'm able to tilt it. So my finger acts like a little cushion as I move it, and then I can fully tilt it, get the full extension. I'm not sure why it doesn't clear. Maybe I'll find a solution to fix that, but that's my setup right now. So other than that, I'm enjoying the Works Bell quick tilt system. If you guys want to run it, just do your research. Make sure the steering wheel clears your dash. And as some of you know, I'm going to be having a bucket seat in this car once it gets warmer, and I feel like this system is going to be convenient. As you try to get out of the seat, you just tilt it up, it gives you more room, versus the quick release, you would have to put on your dash or something, then get out of the seat. So let me know which quick release system you prefer, either the quick tilt or the actual quick release. The NRG quick release that I actually have, I'm going to be keeping it. I'm going to be going on the JZX 100. I do have a steering wheel coming in for that car in the spring, so I'm just going to swap it over into that car. So I'm not going to lie, the NRG quick release, I'm going to miss it. It was actually extremely convenient sometimes. So I replaced my dash with the AP2 dash, just the black one. So when I did that, all I had to do, quick release the wheel, change the dash, I was done. I see other people fight with the OEM wheel, the airbag, disconnecting the battery, doing so much. But having the quick release, it was so convenient, I'm not gonna lie. So that's a really good plus about it. Also, when I did my clutch master cylinder, I released the wheel. I was able to fit underneath the car, put my head there, take off the old CMC, and like it was convenient. So the quick release, having the NRG quick release, there's plus sides to it. So that's why I'm going to be swapping it over into the JZX. It's not for sale. I like both systems, but I will have to say the quick tilt probably the coolest one. So that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick little install and comparison of the both quick release systems. Let me know your comments down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a like for your boy. I'm out here filming in the winter. It's pretty cold, but it doesn't look like it, but it's really cold, trust me. But I will catch you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.